Good morning, everyone. This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is our morning update, guys. You can see here, it's just like the crypto markets out there. It's gloomy, it's raining, and actually it's raining on me right now just a little bit, so it's spit. So guys, what's going on? Crypto's crashing. We got fake news. We got manipulation everywhere. We're going to jump into that. We're going to jump into much more. We're going to talk about, Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Ethereum. We're going to talk about Dogecoin. Is this the end of Dogecoin? Are we going down? Should you guys get out of Dogecoin right now? Is this the end? Or is this going to be a huge Debbie Downer moment? So we're going to talk about that. And we're going to talk about much more. But before we get into that, I just want to say, remember, do smash the likes, guys. You have to do that because it tells the YouTube algorithm that you like this content, and it gets the message out there. Help the OG get the message out there. Get it out there right now, guys. Can you see the rain? Can you see the rain? It's raining on me right now. It's just like the crypto markets. It's down, down. So, guys, with that being said, let's jump into the content. Let's do it right now. Before we do that, I want to give a big shout out to some of my new subscribers, Mickey V, Tom Hernandez, Carlos Gonzalez, and Stephen Tremp. Welcome to the channel, and thank you for being there. We love you guys. Thank you so much. It's a great time to be alive, guys. I think everyone yesterday, we saw this huge fake news story that came out yesterday, and hopefully, I think the Department of Justice, they're looking into it right now. Who's spreading these fake news? Was it somebody at Walmart leaking it? Was somebody on the board leaking this information, and then they had to do a retraction? Who knows? We need to investigate. But when we had this fake news, we saw that Litecoin went up 20%, and we saw Bitcoin and all the cryptos go up around anywhere from 5 to 6%. And then once everybody found out, and it was minutes later that people found out that this was fake news, we saw that the crypto market went down, and it's just not good, guys. When we have all this fake news flying around, it just goes to show how volatile crypto is. It can be moved on a fake story like this. Remember when we had the Apple story? That was a total fake out story, and it sent markets up, and then everyone realized it was just fake. And we had the Amazon, which is also a fake story. So what's going on in crypto land, guys? What is absolutely going on in crypto land right now with all this fake story? It's absolutely, the whales are out there. They're manipulating the markets. They're trying to drive prices up and down because, one, they want to maximize their profits, and two, they want to shake out the retail investors. They want to shake you out. The whales want you to give up your cryptocurrency really fast and really easy, guys. So, guys, don't fall for the FUD. And that's why I always tell all the researchers out there, it's very important, all the crypto investors, all the Joe Nancys, all the Joe public, it's very important that you do your own research. Don't react to every article. Cross-check, fact check, and do your own risk management. Remember, this video is not financial advice. It's so important that you do your own risk management. It's so important, guys. And we had the founder of Litecoin come out, and Litecoin creator Charlie Lee on the fake Walmart. This is time we really screwed up. So some of the takeaways from that: Charlie Lee appeared on Bloomberg this afternoon to discuss the fake press release that suggested Walmart would use Litecoin. Lee denied that the Litecoin Foundation was involved in the incident and said neither him or his project profited from it. However, he did take responsibility for Litecoin's foundation accidental role in spreading the story. So I believe that some of the Litecoin users are not people from the foundation, but they had in fact reposted, retweeted the whole news. So that's really what created this whole flood storm, this whole thing that was going out. And it was looking pretty good there for a while, but then very soon after, we realized that it was fake, and it caused all the markets to come down somewhat, guys. So this is not good when people are creating fake news, but there's a lot of fake stories, and you guys can just see how easy it is to move a market with a fake story like this. And so once again, you guys need to be careful. You need to do your own risk management. You need to do your own research. And remember, try to cross-check. Here in this channel, we try to cross-check all the facts. And I also did repost and say this was a fake story within minutes of this being blasted out on Twitter. So guys, make sure you go to my Twitter and follow. Do that all the time. And don't forget to smash the likes again. Subscribe. And some of the news that's coming in right now, we can see that Microstrategy, they picked up 5,000 Bitcoins in 3 weeks, and and they sold some stocks to buy that. So you can see if MicroStrategy is still buying, still picking up Bitcoin. And remember, I believe that they paid about $48,000 for each Bitcoin. So right now, all of their Bitcoin is well underwater. It's underwater, guys. But MicroStrategy, he's a Bitcoin maxi. He loves the Bitcoin, and if he's still buying, then that's telling you something, guys. It's absolutely telling you something, that this is not the end of the bull run. Things are going up, and all the weak Nancy's out there, all the newbies. I know there's a ton of newbies out there that are watching my channel, and you guys are moaning and whining and crying in your pillows. Stop it, guys. You need to have diamond hands, and I keep telling you guys over and over and over again that September is a very, very bearish month. Come on, guys, wake up. September is a very bearish month. And you can see right here, if you go back and you look at the September data for Bitcoin monthly returns, you can see that since 2011 to 2020, because you can see that Bitcoin has been bearish on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 occasions. It's been bearish, and only 3 occasions has it been bullish. So guys, this is just more and more evidence that you guys just have to chill, you guys have to cool it, and stop panicking out there. Stop going crazy. And if Michael Sayer from MicroStrategy, if he can buy if he can buy more Bitcoin and he overpaid for it, he picked up 5,000 Bitcoin. What are you worrying about? Stop panicking. Stop being Debbie Downers. Stop it. Now is not the time to be panicking. Now is the time to be dollar cost averaging. Now is the time to be buying the dips and filling up your stacks of Bitcoin, Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is absolutely going to take off in October. I told you that 100 million times. You guys are not listening. Wake up, guys. So once again, take a look at the information. It's right there in front of you. It's right there. It's in plain sight, guys. So stop panicking and stop driving the OG crazy, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes. So another thing that we need to talk about is ADA. What happened? We had the Alonzo smart contracts. They were deployed, but after the hard fork, everyone was expecting that ADA would go up. It didn't. It went down. Why did it go down? Well, it's what I've always been telling you from the beginning, that this is a situation of buy the rumor, sell the news. Well, it's very simple. As I told you, it's a matter of buy the rumor, sell the news, guys. And that doesn't mean that the most users dump their bags. Nobody dumped their bags. As reported from Cardano, at least 71% of the ADA's entire coin supply still remains locked up in staking contracts, with a current total staking wallets approximately 825,755. So nobody sold their Cardano. People are still staking their Cardano, so don't panic. Also, the other major reason that the price has not recorded any significant upward movement has to do with the fact that it will take a while before decentralized application DApps are live on the network. The network just went live, guys, so it's going to take a while before people deploy the apps on Cardano, and that means it will take a while for traffic to pick up on the network, triggering an increase in price of the token. So it's going to take a while for these applications to be deployed, and once the applications are deployed, then we're going to see more and more traffic bubble up, and then when that happens, we're going to see the price slowly move. So that's why Cardano hasn't moved. 1, buy the rumor, sell the news, and 2, the DApps have not been deployed completely yet. So you guys just have to buckle up, stop panicking, and if you're holding Cardano, all I can tell you to do, and this is not financial advice, this is what I'm doing. I haven't sold any of my Cardano. Yeah, yesterday I sold some of my Solana, about 50%, but I took profits, and I keep telling you, the most difficult thing for anyone to do in this business is take profit, but you have to take profits. If you don't take profits, you will eventually, it's not good. Take profits, guys. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price. Yesterday, I gave everybody a warning yesterday that Bitcoin needs to stay above its 21-day EMA. And you can see right now that if we look at where Bitcoin is, let me blow that up for you. We can see that we are just at the 21-day EMA. You guys need to keep a very, very close eye on that. If we break down below the 21-day EMA, it's going to spell a very bearish downtrend, and you guys need to keep an eye on that. So all the newbies out there, go to TradingView, choose a Bitcoin chart, turn it to its weekly, and turn on the 21-day indicator and keep an eye on that. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at 45,194 on the weekly. Let's jump into the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, we can see that Bitcoin right now, it's looking pretty good right now. We can see that we have this uptick here, and right now it's trading at 45,435, and it looks like we're going green after yesterday's little bit of a, this is a flash crash here, right? The flash crash here, and it looks like that, you know, things are picking up. We had a little bit of a dump yesterday because of the whole Litecoin debacle. So once again, guys, watch out for the fake news, do your own research, and don't react. Do not overreact to stuff. Do your own risk management. Okay, guys? Let's take a look at the HODL chart. The HODL chart, it's still telling you to HODL. So what you guys need to do is get the rainbow chart, watch the rainbow chart, and do what the rainbow chart says. Okay? If it says it's time to sell, then you sell. But right now, it's saying still HODL. Let's take a look at the fear and greed index. Right now, the fear and greed index is at 30. So after yesterday's whole fake news story, the whole social sentiment for crypto went down because people just got tired of the fake news and manipulation. And definitely there is a whole bunch of manipulation in September. We had the El Salvador, we had the IMF, we got the SEC weighing in. The SEC is going nuts right now, and also there's also going to be a new tax regulation that's coming out. It's called the wash tax, and they're looking at you know, increasing capital gains up to 48%, and they're also looking at you know, if you sell your crypto within 30 days and rebuy again, before you can take that as a tax deduction, but now you can't, guys. So they're looking at instituting a new law that's going to be even make it harder for cryptocurrency holders not to pay taxes. And if you're a wealthy person, your capital gains could go up to 48%. It's mind-blowing. I have no idea what's going on in the White House, but all I gotta say is 2024 is coming soon, guys. I can't wait. So let's take a look at Ethereum price. Ethereum price right now, it's looking pretty good. Things are turning a little bit greener. Right now we have just gone above my 3281 level, so we're going to change that to support right in front of your eyes. So it looks like that things could be moving up. We have this huge descending triangle, the purple rain line that goes all the way down to the 2700 range, and it looks like that we could be breaking out of this. Hopefully we can break out of it, and then we can get up to this level here, which is really soft resistance at around about 3400. So this is really soft resistance. It's not a huge resistance level, and we did a pretty good job breaking past that before in previous attempts. So I really think that we're going to easy peasy to break past 3400. So hopefully we can keep this momentum going here in Asia, and hopefully we can paint some more green. You can see that the volumes though are a little bit light, guys, so just keep an eye on that. Hopefully the volumes will pick up. Let's take a look at the fees right now for Ethereum. Right now the fees are they've come up a little bit from where they were yesterday. I mean, yesterday they were around about $8. Now the average fees are about $11.58. So the fees are coming back. So there's more transactions going on, and people are kind of getting back into things. But still, there's a lot of fear in the market right now. So we all need to be aware of that. Let's take a look at the burn for Ethereum. Right now the burn is at 288,000 Ethereum has been burned. Let's take a look at Cardano in the house. Cardano right now is at $2.40 on the 4-hour chart. So it's just kind of going sideways for a while. So we really need to watch what's going on. We have this inverse W pattern, which is often a very bearish pattern. So, you know, do not be surprised if we see ourselves going down to $2.16 in the short term before, as I said, now that we have the Alonzo hard fork and the smart contracts enabled, it's going to take, you know, at least 30 to 60 days, I think more like 30 days before we have more DApps deployed and we have more users on the network before we start seeing any price movement up. And of course, Cardano is also going to move up in line with the whole rest of the markets, right? If the markets all start going up, Cardano is going to go up as well. So just keep an eye on that. But I still pretty confident, this is not financial advice, that we could see a $10 coming in for Cardano at the end of the year. But, you know, for September, don't expect too much. If we can close around 250, I'm happy with that, and then that will set us up for a nice explosion for the next month. And you know, if we can close Ethereum over 3,000, 2,800, 3,000 range for September, I'm also happy. If we can close, keep BTC between 43,000 and 45,000, I'm also happy for that. So let's take a look at Solana in the house. Solana right now, it hit the downward slope of the descending triangle, and it got rejected a little bit. So hopefully it can break past that descending slope really soon, and we're looking at Solana's at $166 on the 4-hour chart. So hopefully we can get past that. I'm pretty confident we can get past that. Hate these pop-ups, guys. Let me get rid of these pop-ups. So I'm pretty confident we can get past that. It's looking like overall we're starting to recover a little bit here in Asia. It's Tuesday morning, so looking somewhat bullish, guys. So let's take a look at Luna in the house. Luna's also down a little bit. It's at $36. Let's take a look at the Doge. Where's the Doge in the house? So right now the Doge is doing something very similar to Bitcoin. We're seeing that's at 23.6 right now, and it's not looking too shabby. And you can see that we have this huge descending triangle that slopes all the way down here. So right now, if we can stay above my 22 cent level, I'm pretty happy about that. So hopefully we can just keep riding this wave, and hopefully we start to get some impulse to upside up to 25 cents. I think that we're just going to be range bound here, and I think as we extend out here, then we could start to maybe pull up. But don't expect anything too exciting. I believe that if we can close a month at 22 cents, I'm super happy about that, guys. So with that being said, don't panic. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, Dogecoin on the 4-hour chart here, and you can see that we have a nice little buy indicator that just flashed. So hopefully this buy indicator will take us up, and we'll have some more momentum to the upside, and that we can get ourselves up to 24 cents. So I'm pretty sure that we can maybe get ourselves 24 cents incoming, guys. So with that being said, guys, let's take a look at the market marks right now. So overall, the total market cap right now is at 210 trillion, and we're at 104.49 billion. So the volumes are picking up. The dominance is still above 40. So we really need to see that coming down, guys. And let's take a look at the prices right now. So we're seeing that right now, Bitcoin is at 45,119. That's down 2.21%. Ethereum is at 3,311. That's also down 2.7%. But if you look at the week, this is a good time to start buying the dips, guys. ADA is down 2.86%, and that's at $2.41. You can see we definitely a good time to go bargain hunting, guys. And BNB is at $401, and that's down 1.92%. And Solana in the house is starting to go up, guys, and it's at $166.72, and it's up 1.33%. DOT is also down 5%, and that's at $34. And my Doge is down 3.15%, and that's at 23.6, guys. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Do it now. Follow. And don't forget to subscribe, smash the likes. Do it right now, guys. And check out my links. Go to my Patreon. Go to buy the channel a coffee. And check out Zen Music Addict. You know you want it. Go there. Find your soul. Relax. And guys, check out my merch. We got tons of merch, guys. We got t-shirts. We got hats. We got hoodies. And we've got non-clothing items. We got the hats. We got the mug. Get the mug. So I just want to say to you guys, I love you guys to death. Be well, be blessed, have a great day. Woo!